Marie, hello.
Well, hello, Cynthia.
How are you doing?
I'm good today. How are you, my friend?
Doing great. You have a big, nice burrito. What is that on your plate?
This is a chimichanga with some rice and beans. Yes.
Delicious. Are you having all that?
Yes, and this is a wonderful margarita right here.
Oh, man, that thing is ferocious. Yummy.
Yes.
Yum. Don't that look delicious? Oh, that looks so good. Yummy. This place is delicious. Yummy, yummy. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying everything. What are you
I
looking for? You enjoying your lunch?
Yes, I am.
Okay, we'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay.
All
See
right.
you next time.